Good morning everybody. Today we'll start the class with a prayer.
कार्वामिनी भक्ति।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सरस्वती
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं
Good morning, children. So today 10th standard's most interesting chapter, and it has its own application in day-to-day life. We learn quadratic equation. Let us see what all we'll study in that. Introduction, solving quadratic equations by factorization method, solving quadratic equation by quadratic formula method, and nature of the roots. But today we are studying only introduction, whether the given equation is quadratic equation or not. To learn that, we go with Tata Class Edge video.
You learnt about linear equations in your previous classes. Let us now look at quadratic equations in this activity. But first, what is a quadratic equation? If we have an equation of the form p of x is equal to 0 and p of x is a polynomial of degree 2, we have a quadratic equation. To obtain the standard form of the equation, we write the terms of p of x in descending order of their degrees. So, the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0.
Understood, children? Standard form of the quadratic equation. If a equal to 0 becomes, that will become linear equation in linear equation. Okay, so we'll not take that. A cannot be 0, b and c can be 0. Okay, let us see next what is there.
Sometimes a quadratic equation doesn't look like one. Your job is to recognize
Sir,
it
it is
and,
not
with
audible.
a little clever work, turn it into the standard form.
Okay,
Let's
once
see how
again
good
I'll
you are
replay.
at identifying quadratic equations. You will see a few equations in the subsequent screens. Sometimes a quadratic equation doesn't look like one. Your job is to recognize it and, with a little clever work, turn it into the standard form. Let's see how good you are at identifying quadratic equations. You will see a few equations in the subsequent screens. You need to convert these equations to their standard form. Then, you need to identify if the equations are quadratic equations or not.
Okay, now which step I should do? There are 4 steps. Out of these 4 steps, which step I should take?
Move all terms to the left hand side.
Very good. So now you got equation x square minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. Is it quadratic equation or non-quadratic equation? Is it quadratic equation or non-quadratic equation?
Quadratic equation.
Very good. Next, again one more equation you have. What step you need to take first?
Expand the brackets.
Very good. expand the brackets. Next step, what you want to do?
Move all terms to the left hand side.
Very good. Now
Simplify the
very good, simplify the equation. Now you got 13q minus 6 equal to 0. Is it quadratic equation or non-quadratic
No.
equation? Non-quadratic
Non-quadratic.
equation. Very good. This is one more. 2 minus 1 upon y plus 1 upon y square equal to 0. There are 4 steps which you want to do first.
Multiply equation with the term having the highest power in the denominator.
Very good. So now you got 2y square minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Is it quadratic equation or non-quadratic equation?
quadratic equation.
Quadratic equation, sir.
Very good, very good. Now p into bracket p minus 4 equal to 7. So what step you will take here?
Expand the brackets.
Very good. Next,
Move all the terms to left hand side.
very good. You got p square minus 4p minus 7 equal to 0. It is a
Quadratic.
very good.
Through this activity, you have learnt how to rearrange an equation in the standard form and identify if the equation is a quadratic equation. In the next section, you will learn how to obtain the roots of a quadratic equation.
Before going roots of the quadratic equation, we'll go for quiz. How much you understood this identifying quadratic equation or not? The sum of squares of two natural numbers is 29. If the second number is 1 less than thrice the first, represent the situation as a quadratic equation. The sum of squares of two natural numbers is 29. The second number is 1 less than thrice the first. Represent the situation as a quadratic equation.
So,
Helapi.
answer is 5x square minus 6x minus 14, sir, is equal to 0. Option B.
Option B, minus 3x. No, 5x square minus 3x minus 14 equal to
0.
0. Let us check. Yes, you are right. Everybody got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anybody want solution? Anybody want solution? Okay, let me explain. This is bit difficult. Okay, let one number be x. One number be x, and therefore other number will be how much? Other number will be 3x minus
3x minus 1 whole
3x
square.
minus 1. So now sum of the squares, x square plus 3x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. X square, this will become 9x square minus 6x plus 1. Okay, it is, sorry, 29 it is. So if you bring this side, minus 29 equal to 0. Then x square plus 9x square is 10x square minus 6x minus 28 equal to 0. Now you can divide by 2. So 5x square minus 3x minus 14 equal to 0. Very good. Okay. We'll move for the next question. Which of the equation can be written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0?
C, sir.
Option C. You are right. Next question. From the given equation, dash is the quadratic equation.
Option C, sir.
Very
Option
good.
C.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Next question. This is very interesting question. If x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 2 by 3 are the roots of the equation mx square plus 7x plus n equal to 0, find the values of m. Question you understood? May I give clue? You put x equal to minus 3 in the equation. Then you will get m and n, equation in m and n. Then again put x equal to 2 by 3. We will get again one more equation m and n. Those two are pair of linear equations. Those you can solve by any method, elimination method or substitution method, like that.
Sir, option B, sir.
Very good, Lalit. Next question. State whether the statement is true or false. X square plus 1 by x square equal to 4 is a quadratic equation in terms of x. True or false?
False.
Why? When you take LCM and simplify, it will become x raised to 4. That will become biquadratic equation. So it is false. Very good. Next question. To find the roots of the quadratic equation, who gave the first formula? Archimedes, Pythagoras, Aryabhatta and Sridharacharya.
Option D, sir.
Option D.
Very good, Sridharacharya. Now if x equal to 1, root of the equation 15x square minus kx plus 4 equal to 0, find the value of k.
Nineteen, sir.
19.
Option B.
Very good, nice answer. The sum of squares of natural numbers is 29. Already have done this, it is repeated. So I'll click option B and submit. Next question. Which is a quadratic equation from the following?
Option C. Option B, sir.
Option B, sir.
Option B is correct. Option C cannot be, because if you take an LCM simplify, that will become cubic equation. So that is not possible. Very good answer. Next question. State whether the statement is true or false. X square minus 5x equal to 0 is a quadratic equation or not.
True.
True, sir.
Very
True,
good.
sir.
Very good. Very good. Next question. Which of the following quadratic equation is not in standard form? X square equal to 0.
Option C, sir.
Option C. Because equal to 0 is not there. Very good. Next, state whether the statement is true or false. X square minus 3x minus root 2x minus 1 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation.
True, sir.
True.
True,
Very,
sir.
very good. Very good. X equal to minus root 5 is a root of the equation root 5 x square plus kx plus 4 root 5 equal to 0. Find the value of k.
Sir, option A 9.
Very good. Very good. Very quick answer. Very good. Which of the following is not a quadratic equation?
Option A, sir.
Very good. 2x into 3x. First term it is 6x square. In the on the right hand side also 6x square will come. So x square term will get cancelled. So very good answer. Next. Which of the following is a root of the equation 2x square plus 5x minus 25 equal to 0? You can find by factorization method, or you can just substitute and check.
Option D, sir.
Very good. Option D is correct. Next question. Very simple question. Fill in the blanks. 2 dash plus 3x
X square.
x square. Very good. Very good. The equation of the form ax square plus 8x plus 20 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Which of the following is true for A?
Option D, sir.
Very good. Which of the following quadratic equation are in standard form?
Option D, sir.
Very good. Option D is correct. Next, the equation x minus 5 whole square equal to x is a dash linear equation, third order polynomial equation, quadratic equation, or none of these.
Option C, sir. Quadratic equation.
Yes, very good. Quadratic equation. Last question. If x equal to 2 by 3 is a root of the equation, find the value of k. Interesting question.
K6, sir.
Very good, Harish. Okay, now I'll show quiz like this. Only some questions are there. So first one, x square, 1 minute, x square plus 4x plus 6 equal to 0, 2x equal to 2x minus 1 whole square is a quadratic equation or not? One minute. Are you able to see PPT?
No, sir.
One minute. I'll show. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay. First one, x square plus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. Sorry, equal to 2x minus 1 whole square. Is it quadratic equation or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now second one, x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to x minus 1 whole square. Is it quadratic equation or not?
No, sir.
Very good. Next third one, x plus 1 whole cube equal to x plus 1 whole square.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It's not a quadratic equation. Next one, 3x plus 1 whole square equal to 2x plus 1 whole square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now last part will come homework. Few questions I'll give. Verify the following equations are quadratic equation or not. Please take down the questions. If you have taken, tell me. Took?
Yes, sir.
Okay. State whether the following equations are quadratic equation or not. X plus 1 by x equal to x square over
Yes, sir.
next, what is the value of c in the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 3 equal to 0? Value of c you can compare with ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Next question, may I go?
Yes, sir.
So check whether the following equations are quadratic or not. X square plus 1 by x square equal to 2, where x is not equal to 0. Over.
Yes, sir.
Next, last question. Verify the following equations are quadratic equation or not. 3x square equal to x plus 4. Second one, x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to x plus 4 into x minus 1. So taken.
Yes, sir.
Thank you everybody. So I hope you understood quadratic equation, how to identify. Thank you everyone for peacefully listening and answering. Thank you everybody. You can leave the meeting now.